Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by updating your browser and installing a trusted ad blocker. This ensures compatibility and security. Once done, pick uBlock Origin or AdGuard because they filter network requests efficiently. You should grant the extension minimal permissions needed to operate and avoid unnecessary access. Make sure to disable conflicting extensions like other ad blockers or privacy tools. This reduces interference and duplicate filters, so the blocker can immediately start removing YouTube ads. Now you fine-tune filtering so YouTube stays clean without breaking playback. Enable YouTube-specific lists like Easy List and uBlock filters because they target ad domains and tracking scripts directly. You also add a couple of cosmetic rules to remove overlays and skip prompts. That prevents blank ad frames. If an ad persists, use the element picker to block the container and test playback. Once configured, make small edits to custom rules. This gives control while avoiding accidental site breakage. Finish by testing across different videos and playlists to confirm ads are blocked consistently. If you still see ads, clear the browser cache and reload. Some scripts are cached. For region-specific ads, try disabling VPN or switching DNS to see if blocking improves. If YouTube playback or features break after rule changes, disable your custom rules and re-enable them one at a time to find the culprit. This method pinpoints problematic filters while keeping your ad-free setup intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.